Let me go around the front here.
I got this one.
They are. Nice scratch.
They are.
Oh yeah. All those limits are.
Yeah. I guess you're supposed to be hollering at me about something.
Go ahead.
Yep. That's like it says in fine print.
You're not there yet.
Okay. Whoa!
Now you can. Winch her on.
Yeah. I wanted to get past the bush. Huh? That's straight around. Yeah.
It's kind of hard to roll this thing around.
No, this is a,
Oh, so you can take the
Spring.
manifold
We're gonna
spring
play
so I
before
can
you do
undo it
that.
if it's hot.
That's a good idea. Like on a damper or on a stove.
Oh, to keep it from picking the truck up.
No, it's actually to get a little better angle on that,
We
right?
had one member when I was a safety guy that I actually had to stop and bring in his tractor because he didn't have anything in the back. He'd back off. They had to go up and the ass end of his truck would go up this far.
When he got this spot this summer on, I had to step on the brake in the truck.
Yeah, they're held in.
Front end of the truck lifted.
Well, at
The
least
back end steep bump
this is a lot easier.
down his driveway.
Yeah, but this guy kept doing it. He just treated that like
See how Ron's driveway is? Towards the street.
Okay.
That's where the
You were afraid it was going to go in, though?
Afraid it was going to pick up the
we were
back
afraid
end.
it gonna lift the back wheels and then it was just being held by the part.
Hey, Clay.
Then he's got the
move those
pipes
straps?
and he's got to squeeze it between the fenders and get it right on the trailer just exactly.
Remember, we used to go, there was some show.
Okay,
Okay, ready?
Heads up.
Wayne Matt was a member.
Loaded tractors.
They said, you're not that good. Then he shows you how to take it.
Second. Let me scoot this ramp over slightly because it's.
Got it?
Okay.
What do you think I go? Am I in your way?
Yeah, well, you know what's so funny? You know how much a Q7 weighs? Looking good. Audi?
Yeah, one of the six.
Okay, you ready?
Hey.
All of them BMWs and Audis are all heavyweights.
Huh.
Yeah.
What makes it so heavy?
I have no idea. They're all aluminum.
Big engines?
It's all aluminum.
A little bit this way, Paul. Mitchell.
just following the lines on the.
Oh, right?